In this tutorial, I'll explain how you can easily access your downloaded videos on YouTube using your PC. To begin, you'll need a YouTube Premium subscription, which allows you to download videos for offline viewing. Once you have YouTube Premium, navigate to a video you'd like to download. While the video is playing, scroll down and locate the download button. Click on this button to initiate the download process for the selected video. After the download is complete, you may wonder where the downloaded video is stored. It's straightforward to find. Locate the three horizontal lines or hamburger menu icon at the top left corner of the screen. Click on it and scroll down to find the Downloads option, situated below Watch Later. Clicking on Downloads will display all your downloaded videos. Here you'll find the video you just downloaded, along with any others you've saved for offline viewing. To summarize, click on the three horizontal lines, scroll down to Downloads and click to view your downloaded videos. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.